Another Maxi made episode awaits us in store, and you can bet that it's filled with all sorts of crazy and epic moments caught on BIKERS camera. The best of the best from the moto world can be found right here, and it's up to you to soak it all up and enjoy. Without any further ado, let's jump right into today's episode.
Whoa. 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 Drama. Woo!
Biker caught an intense and heated argument on his camera. One scooter rider cut a whole group of bikers like he was a police officer. This smelled like trouble from the start. Stay tuned to see how it all unfolded.
Hey! Hey, lower it! Hey! Come on, man! Lower it, man! Lower it! Lower it! Just leave it. Come on, man. Oh, he chucked his on the floor.
In this situation, the driver was totally fed up with a biker over a certain issue that happened earlier, but unfortunately wasn't caught on camera. Apparently, the biker cut across lanes, and therefore the argument. Check it out.
Inside lane, if you want to go straight, mate, you go on the left lane.
You have to change lanes. Go look at it again, mate. You've got to turn right in that lane. You've got to go to the left.
Not arguing with you, dude.
And I heard you gun it, mate. Don't be a
Gun it?
Mate,
How's that gun it?
Right, have my indicator on. You knew I was getting into that.
See that? Good one, mate.
Okay, mate. All right, go back into the ship box anyway.
Yeah, good on you, champ. I can't hear you, mate. Turn the corner normally, mate, and accelerate it. What's it?
I'm allowed to turn. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
And then turn
You're in the inside lane, though, mate.
Mate, you can't because
Over a solid white line.
Mate,
Hey.
turn around, mate. Your neck. All right.
Oh, is that right?
Mate,
Okay.
go look.
All right.
You can't turn right
Okay.
in the far left lane.
All right. Okay, thanks, mate.
Go and have a look.
I will. Thanks
Have a look.
for education, man.
Go and look, mate.
I will.
Indicated. What have I got to
Okay.
to get to you? All right.
Sorry.
Right, you indicated to turn left.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, mate. No worries, dude. You have a good day.
A really dangerous pass caused the road rage. The driver had plenty of space to make a safe pass, but he chose to act like this. After a while of riding around, this happened. Stay tuned to find out.
Mate. Such a Alright, mate, no worries. Yeah, you're a tough guy. Tough guy.
NANI?
Using your phones while driving can lead you to a lot of trouble, and it's definitely not worth the risk.
Get off your phone! Get off your phone!
When it comes to driving, this driver did everything wrong. From driving on 2 lanes to incorrect use of indicators. Biker was almost a victim of his bad driving. Driver didn't look at all as he cut right in front of the biker here. A simple apology does not cut it out in situations like these. We need to do better. When you enter a sharp curve way too fast, you're inviting trouble. Biker in front ended up in a ditch, but somehow he managed to stay on his bike and get back on the road.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
This crazy Karen pulled out in front of the biker without even looking, and he made sure to pull up and give her a piece of his mind. The sad fact about this is that she refused to admit her mistake.
You have giveaway there. You have giveaway. You have giveaway. It doesn't matter. You have giveaway. You have giveaway.
Hello, it's me.
You see me, bro? Hey, what you doing?
Scooter Rhyder passed this biker dangerously on the inside, but that was the least of the problems that are about to happen at the next traffic lights. Check out how this wild road rage unfolded.
You caught! You caught on camera! Hey! You're on camera! You're on camera! You're on camera! You're on camera!
Driver didn't pay attention as he came out of a tunnel. Always assume that there are bikers on the road, people. Always.
What are you doing?
Biker tried to beat a red light, and the lady made a poor choice as well. Taking all things into consideration, you can say that both parties were in the wrong.
No, I was right there. Please use your mirrors. I was right there. You nearly hit me.
And with this clip, we conclude yet another episode on Maxi channel. Make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button because it really helps this channel grow. Thank you for all your support so far, it really means a lot. Until the next episode, ride safe.